Hi guys, in this easy tutorial I will show you how you can add a scrolling logo banner to your Shopify store. I will show how to add a classic scrolling logo banner and also how in few clicks you can add such stylish elements like gradient effects on the sides and place your title on the top or on the left like in my example. I will use Fab Scrolling Logo Showcase app from Shopify App Store. I will add the link to the description to this video. So you need to install the app and open the dashboard. Great, on the first tab, let's activate apps widget. So it will be visible on our storefront on the store. I was redirected to my store and just need make sure this toggle is on and press save button. Okay, let's go back. I see that widget was enabled and now press create a banner button. On the left side we have all our settings and on the right the preview. We can make the static classic logo grid, but we will use trendy marquee effect. I can change the speed of my animation, direction of movement. Let's choose right to left, and I prepared my logos, so I just need now to change placeholders with my okay. Let's upload our logos. I will upload one by one. I have 5 logos. Okay. Great. Now I will change the title. And I can also place it on the left side by this setting. Good. Let's save our changes and go to the style settings. I will change the color of my background. And now it's time to place it to the Shopify store. I save my last changes, go to placement tab and copy my banner ID and press go to theme editor. I will automatically redirect into my store. Section with app was added. I click here and paste my code. Press save and I see on the preview my scrolling logo banner. Okay, I forgot to add the gradient effects on the sides. Let's go back and in style settings turn on the settings. Okay, great. Save the changes. I can also move my banner anywhere on the page. Most popular position is after hero image, and I save my changes, open my store, and I see this beautiful banner. Such simple banner is really popular in modern marketing because it builds trust, and trust is conversions. So I hope it will help your stores to sell more. Thank you for watching and see you on new tutorials. Bye.